Service in League City has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from High Island to Freeport, Texas outlet in 48 Bay until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over northwestern Galveston Bay, moving southeast to nearly 50 knots in small hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include East Galveston Bay, Galveston Ship Channel, Upper San Jacinto Bay, Scott Bay, Galveston Bay Entrance, Galveston Bay, Tabbs Bay, Burnett Bay, North Jetty, Galveston Pier 21, Trinity Bay, Galveston Causeway, Overpass, Mitchell Bay, Black Duck Bay, Crystal Bay, the Texas City Dike, and Eagle Point. For tomorrow, this warning also includes the following channel lights: Houston Ship Channel Light 45, Baytown Marina Channel Light 17, Houston Ship Channel Light 130, Houston Ship Channel Light 55, Galveston Channel Lighted Buoy 1, Houston Ship Channel Light 37, Houston Ship Channel Light 88, San Jacinto River Buoy 22, Texas City Channel Light 11, and Houston Ship Channel Light 99. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in League